In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and resize pictures to your Acuity scheduling site. Let's start by preparing your images. It's important to ensure that your photos are in the correct format. Acuity scheduling supports .jpg, .gif, and .png file formats, and it's crucial to keep the file size within the 1.5 MB limit. This will help in smooth uploading and guarantee that the quality is maintained once your image is on your site. Once your images are ready, go ahead and log in to your Acuity scheduling account. You'll want to head over to the Scheduling page section, and from there, navigate to Styles. This area allows you to customize various aspects of your scheduling page, including adding images that meet your brand's aesthetic. Next, focus on the business logo, or appointment type image upload area. This is where you can showcase your brand visually to clients booking your services. Select the image file that you've prepared earlier. Having a preview of your image might give you a good sense of how well it fits before making it live on your page. After you have selected your image, it's time to click Save. This action applies the change, making your new image part of your scheduling page. Saving regularly is a good habit whenever you make any adjustments to ensure nothing gets lost in the process. Now, about resizing. One of the efficient features of Acuity scheduling is its ability to automatically resize images that are larger than their recommended dimensions. This automation prevents any distortion or odd cropping that can occur when an image is too large for its designated space. If you find the image's appearance isn't quite right after it's been uploaded, Acuity offers a built-in image editor. This nifty tool provides a straightforward way to make adjustments, ensuring your image looks just the way you want it. When using the image editor, you can easily make fine adjustments to the image's size and appearance, allowing for better alignment with the overall aesthetic of your website. This editor can help you crop, rotate, or tweak brightness and contrast, ensuring professional-looking visuals for your scheduling page. And there you have it, the straightforward process of uploading and resizing pictures on your Acuity scheduling site. By following these steps, you ensure that your images are clear, properly sized, and visually aligned with your brand's needs. Keep these techniques in mind for any future updates to ensure your scheduling page always looks its best. Feel free to go back and re-watch any section if you need clarification, and don't hesitate to leave comments if you have further questions. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.